Yeah, I think that was the way to go because this was not going. I guess that's what's called a blown strut. Let's see. Yeah, you see it's not even going down. These are all the washers I was able to find in the garage. I'll probably do 7 in case. Now it's time to go to the paint shop. The car is raised, somewhat raised. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I don't know how I'm doing this. Today, guess what arrived? Guess what arrived? The paint has arrived. I got it from Auto Paint HQ. They had so many beautiful colors. As you guys can see, it took me such a long time to freaking decide on a color, and I finally decided on a color. I really love it.
It's about damn time. It's about damn time.
This is gonna be a big project. I don't know if you guys have noticed yet, but this is gonna be a big project. Ow! Okay. Today, we're basically going to be raising my car super high. When I tell you high, it's gonna be like stock height, and it's gonna look so cringe. The reason why we have to raise it is because the shop is going to be a far drive. We were going to put it on the trailer, but last night I measured from the lip to the other lip to see how wide my car is. And then we went to go measure Dante's trailer. Inside the trailer, there's like the tire, the wheel covers inside the trailer, and those basically make the trailer even more skinnier than what it actually is. It was too skinny. Like if I had brought my car inside the trailer, it probably would have it wouldn't have gone anywhere. Yeah, we're gonna have to raise the car because it is a long drive to the shop. As we all know, Christmas is around the corner. What better gift to give your loved ones or yourself a dash cam? And VIOFO just came out with a new dash cam. It is called the A119M Pro, and that's what I'm going to be unboxing today. The A119M Pro is the upgraded version of the highly praised A119 Mini 2. This new Pro camera features Sony's newest Starvis 2 image sensors, combined with advanced HDR technology and a higher frame rate. Even if it's super dark, cloudy outside, it is made to withstand any lighting condition. It also supports up to 4K 30 frames per second resolution, delivers clear and detailed 4K visuals. This kit came with the A119M Pro dash cam, the dash cam hardwire kit. If you want it to run even when your car is off, this can be wired straight to your battery. Also comes with the SD card adapter and reader and Bluetooth remote control. The best thing I like about this dash cam is that there's many ways to upload your files, from connecting to the Wi-Fi that this has, or even from connecting your phone cable straight to this dash cam. With this new Wi-Fi 6 technology that this dash cam provides, the downloading speed is now triple the speed. You can now download a 1-minute 4K quality video in under 10 seconds. This dash cam also supports HDR quality, which means if it's too bright outside, it's going to darken the letters of a license plate so that the image and the video can have more quality. There's 4 parking options for recording: auto event detection, time-lapse recording, low bitrate recording, and super night vision. Another cool feature about this dash cam is that this has ultra precise GPS. The installation is super easy. You just unbox, connect the wires, set it up, tuck it, and you're good to go. In today's date, we all need to make sure we're driving with a dash cam to avoid scams from people blaming you from an accident that they caused, or from theft or scratches or hit and runs that people do to your vehicle. Make sure you guys go check out VIOFO dash cams, especially this new one that they came out with, A119M Pro. I'm sure you guys will love her. Now let's get back to today's video. We're at the rental tool shop, picking up what I need. A normal person with a normal car suspension, they all usually just take the wheel off and, you know, twist, goes up and down, whatever. We're not normal. We don't fit in that category. What I have to do, since I have washers, I gotta add more washers. It's getting like humid and sticky outside because I guess it rained earlier. So now my hair is gonna be like a ball. It's not bald yet, but it's wearing. No stitching compared to the other side, how I was stitching. Go lightly. Oh, no, not good. The thread is moving with the bolt. Is it done for? The whole nut is cut. Is that supposed to be how it is? Is this whole thing supposed to come off? Oh yeah, it is part of it. Now we just gotta put a flathead down here so that the strut can compress, and then we have like a small window to add the washers. These are all the washers I was able to find in the garage. 3, 6, 9, 12.
3 hours later.
31 washers. Let's see how much 6 would do. I'll probably do 7 in case. Go strut, go down, go down. Come on, down, down, down. We're doing it, guys, we're doing it. It's like a mission. We're gonna do on this other side while that strut decides to, you know, pop back out. But surprisingly, are you okay? Are you cracked? What are the damages? Yeah, that's curb brush. Jeez. Look at that. It's literally cooked. Oh, that's nice. Take this off. Take this off. Take this off. Add the washers. We don't have time. Perfect. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. 7 washers didn't do nothing. But I thought it was gonna be like super sky high. Ew! I could see it from the side skirt. You could really see it from the side skirt how high it is right now. That's disgusting. I haven't seen this car this high in years. Look at that. The side skirt is in the air. Welcome to the back seat, where we're gonna be removing the strut bolt. If you're new to the channel, welcome and thank you all for 25,000 subscribers. You guys always show love and support. It's nice to see our family grow. It wants to go down, but like I have no space to actually put my whole body weight. I might have to take the whole strut down. The rear is pretty cooked. It's moving the whole strut. It's not really compressing. Our best choice right now is to probably move the whole strut. There you go. Strut is out. Okay. So stepping on the hub worked. Yeah, I think that was the way to go because this was not going. I guess that's what's called a blown strut. Let's see. Yeah, you see it's not even going down. Oh, upper body. Went to the gym yesterday and I did upper body, so it's really helping right now. That's monster truck. Like, I fit there now. That was the goal for today. The goal was to raise it, be able to drive it far. Ew. Now it's time to go to the paint shop. The car is raised, somewhat raised. I thought it was gonna be like really stock high, but I mean, I think we should be good. We should be good for the ride. Let's start heading over there. I actually have a confession to make. We're not going to a shop. We're doing it here in the backyard. And the reason why I raised the car is because I need to go to the backyard without getting stuck in the grass. It feels good to tell the truth. We're gonna try so hard not to get stuck. You know, our goal here is not to get stuck. Yes, like I said, we're gonna do it in our backyard. I had a lot of you guys hit me up and I'm really thankful and grateful for all of you. But you know, something inside of me told me, do it at home. Just do it, Steph. You're John Steph for a reason. You do everything by yourself on your own. You know, wait, I was
just walking.
I know. I was supposed to show you guys the pathway that I'm going. I'm over here just walking. This is my main concern, like the entrance of where the doorway was. I mean, it's not a big dip. There's dips on the grass like right here. It's not like the road where everything is straight and flat. This is dirt we're talking about. So like if tire and weight goes in, I feel like I'm gonna sink. So the goal today, right now, is to make it all the way to the shed. Next to the shed. That's where I'm gonna be having my booth and everything. Predictions, I'm gonna make it there. You know what? I'm gonna make it there. Let's not think negatively. We just gotta full send it. Just go 60 miles per hour straight to the concrete. Let's see if that works out. Let's try not to get stuck. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, I'm not gonna get stuck. I'm gonna make it. Here I go. Oh, what the heck was that? Usually in that part, I always scrape. I didn't scrape. It was just my exhaust back there. So we're high. We're really high. Here we go. We're gonna have to go super fast. And the shoes I'm wearing right now is not made for manual cars because I'm slipping off. Ready? Pray for me. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. 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 I don't know how I'm doing this. made it. It made it. From the inside, it felt crazy.
Come over left as much as you can. Turn right.
I can't see nothing.
You're good. You have hella space. You're not gonna drop off the front.
I can't see.
Did you drop?
Dante, I'm scared because it's manual. But if I let go of its brake, I'm fine. Good?
Yeah. Keep going. Keep coming. All right, now turn right. There you go. There you go. Right there. You're perfect.
This is all on Dante. If I fall off the cliff, it's on him. I'm only looking at him, not the road.
Yep. No, yep. And now turn the other way.
Dante, that was actually fun.
Oh yeah?
It felt like I was going like off-road. It was literally so bouncy too, Dante. It was like boom, 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 boom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Let's see how this looks. This is the cliff I was worried about. Look how high it is, how big of a dip it is. Welcome to the JawnstephLLC paint shop. I have 50% confidence. I'm scared, but then I'm confident, and then I'm scared, and then I'm confident again. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do the paint job. Once I accomplish this, it's gonna be like another, what's it called, star or medallion. You know, I did wrap, I did tints. I feel like once I do paint, I could paint Dante's car.
No. No. Hell no.
No, that was fun. You gotta try that. Oh my gosh. You gotta try it with your G80. Like, come in and do that with your G80. It was like bouncy. It felt like I was off-roading. It felt like I was in one of those stadiums where like the junked cars be on the road just hitting each other. It felt like that. It felt massive. It felt chaotic. It was fun because I didn't damage anything. I'm ready. I'm ready for the paint. I'm ready. Paint should take 2 to 3 days. That's the limit I'm giving myself. So you guys are gonna see the color before the new year. Stay tuned. Make sure you turn your notifications on. Subscribe. See you guys in my next YouTube video when I'm gonna be painting the car and revealing the color, because I won't be doing the whole video black and white like how I did with my wrap. For paint, I'm just gonna show you guys the color. See you guys in my next YouTube video. Peace. Stay blessed and stay safe. Peace. But yeah, I felt like I went skydiving. Yeah. Because like it was scary, but then after it was done, it was fun. It's so weird to see my car back there. My car looks good here.